We're here today in a client's warehouse to oversee the deployment of Verity system so that they will have autonomous drones that can scan their warehouse's inventory. We have drones that fly themselves around the warehouse to scan each of the locations and compare the pallets that are found on each bin with what is in the customer's warehouse management system.
The benefits are that customers can see when a product is not in the same spot as the warehouse management system says. They can make their corrections, and also if they lose a pallet or don't know where the pallet is, they can check it on the Verity system.
The installation process for Verity is unique in that it's fairly quick and we have little to no impact on the overall operation of the facility. I find that our clients are delighted by our installation process in how we minimize the impact to the overall client facility, how quick we are on site, and how the drones fly completely autonomously.
So the things that customers love about our installation process is when the drones take off. I saw a lot of the customers taking their phones and making videos of the takeoffs of the drones.